Hi, grade 2. We are on page 203, and we are going to measure and graph. So hopefully you remember when we did graphing and we used Fruit Loops. So on page 203, it says find 4 objects to measure. So you're going to find 4 things. Now there's some suggestions, books or shoes or magazines or anything really, maybe your pencil case. So I'm going to do an example for you. So I have found a shoe. So I've got this beautiful red shoe, and I'm going to measure how long this shoe is. So I will take my ruler and make sure that the 0 is right at the end and go all the way. So this is kind of between 26 and 27 centimeters. So I'm going to just decide what do I think it's closest to, and I think it's closest to 27. So this is a shoe and it's 27 centimeters. So what I will do on my paper is I'm going to write shoe, and I'm going to write 27 centimeters. I'm also going to put letter A and B and C and D. So when I go over to my graph, you'll notice at the bottom of the graph, there's these blanks. So this would be like A, B, C, and D. And A is the shoe. And whatever you choose for B would be B, C, and D. So let's go back to our graph. Now you'll notice this is A, B, C, or D, so our 4 objects. And then we have the centimeters going up the side. So 1, 2, 3, all the way up. Now here's my problem. This only goes to 20. But I had 27. Now hopefully you will choose something that is under 20 centimeters. Okay? So for me, what I would have to do would be draw a whole bunch more centimeters, and it's going to actually go off my page. Hopefully for you, you choose something shorter. I chose this on purpose to show you what could happen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose blue for my color for the shoe. And when I color my graph, I start at the bottom and go up. Remember how we always start at the bottom? And you're going to choose a different color for each letter. I'm going to fill that in all the way down, so that's A. And then of course, because mine was 27, I would have to go further up. But maybe I'll just pretend it was 20 for now. Now, something you want to remember to do is put a title. So maybe your title is how long is it? I don't know. You can make up your own title. That's my title. And then at the very bottom, so once you have measured 4 items and you've graphed 4 different things with 4 different colors, find out which is the shortest and which is the longest. So the shortest number would go here, so the smallest number would go here, and then the next one, and the next one, and then your longest item in centimeters will go last. And that's what we're going to do.